Hey YouTube, I hope everybody's doing well. Well, in this video, we are taking a real quick look at a small bathroom remodel. And what we're doing is removing an old enamel steel tub and all the subway tile around it, the ceramic tile that's been water saturated and it's ready to fall off the wall. So we're eliminating all that. We're putting in a new window over the tub. We're doing a new faucet. We have to move the drain, so we're chipping out the concrete. This is on a slab. So we're chipping up the concrete and moving the drain out from the wall a little bit. We're putting in a new toilet, new vanity sink and faucet. We're going to trim out the mirror a little bit. We're adding a new light fixture, a new heat vent to clean that up. And the whole bathroom's getting a paint. And there's also enough money in this budget to have done the floor, but the customer decided not to. So for right around $13,000, we're more or less doing a whole bathroom remodel. And that would include the floor. That's in that budget. Just like I said, the customer decided not to. So again, this is just a quick video. We're not doing a lot of detail, just kind of blowing through the job and just kind of showing you the progress that as it was done. And I hope this is helpful. I hope you'll like and subscribe and check the description for any links. Thanks guys. Let's get to the video. This video is our initial walkthrough of the bathroom that we're going to remodel. You can see the enamel steel tub, the subway tile on the walls, just stuck to the sheetrock. We'll also change out the window since everything else is going to be torn out around it. We'll be changing out the toilet and the vanity, the light fixture. We're undecided on the floor yet. We don't know what the floor is going to look like after we take the toilet out, whether we can save it or not. And we'll also do all the little accessories, the heat vent, the towel holders, and a complete fresh paint job, along with cleaning up the outside after we change the window. Okay, YouTube, well, we're starting on the demo today, and I forgot to, of course, I forgot to start with the video before I got rolling. But anyway, we got ahead and got started, and this old shower, I mean, it's just loaded with moisture and molds and stuff behind the tile. It's amazing. The tile was still actually on the wall. It just kind of barely hanging there. So anyway, today is demo day, and we're going to go ahead and start working on getting the shower out. So you can see how poorly done these old showers are. They literally just put them on top of sheetrock. They do use green board, but green board really doesn't do anything for moisture the way they claim it does. And this tile on sheetrock just does not stand up at all. It's been bad for a long time. And this is the bad part we're getting into. It got all the way through the sheetrock and into the framing, and it's a mess. Oh, it's huge moisture levels in there. So this may delay our remodel because it's going to need time to dry, and we'll have to figure out what we have damage-wise in the framing. Now you might think getting rid of the tub is difficult, but you can literally just cut it in half using a Sawzall with a steel blade. This homeowner was very fortunate that the water leaking behind the tile just went down as far as the tub and then drained back into the tub, and there was no damage below the line of the tub. Just phenomenal. So we'd let a dehumidifier run in the bathroom for a weekend, I think 3 days, a long weekend. And by Tuesday, I think it was, everything was nice and dry and ready to move forward. So next thing to do was to do the niche, and fortunately it was a non-bearing wall, so I was able to simply cut out the stud in the space where we wanted the niche, and then frame up the niche as the customer wanted. Now, one thing that I learned from the marble guy is that I didn't need to drywall the sides of the niche, so that was able to gain us a little more space. Here we've got the back wall insulated, and this was a little bit of a stepped out wall, so we had to insulate those little returns as well. We still have to tear out the toilet and the vanity, and one thing I found is that the shutoffs were leaking, and so I'm going to get the plumber to change these shutoffs as well. Our next step is the plumber. Everything here is ready for the plumber, and once he's done, then I can call in the marble guys for the final measure. Okay, here's our plumber working away. His job is to chip out the drain. The drain needs to be pulled about 12 inches off the wall. And then he's switching out the faucet and the shutoffs at the vanity and the toilet. The plumbing finished. Now you can see the drain is pulled farther away from the wall. And we've got the nice new valve installed and ready to go. The lines run up for the shower head, the toilet's been removed, and new shutoffs installed. And of course I forgot to video the window demo, but here we are with the trim removed and the old window removed. And just took off enough trim to get to the window to be able to replace it. And of course, being hardy backer, it was brittle and it broke, so I have to replace all the trim that I removed. The cultured marble shower pan has been installed, and it's got a real nice lip around it. And so any leakage that goes underneath the shower walls is going to drain back into the pan. The vanity has been installed. The new window from the inside. The niche, as we've seen before, all my insulation, the new valve, and just a tight look at the pan. And the pan has a bit of a corrugated floor, for lack of a better way of saying it. And this is just to reduce any chance of slippage. And that nice drip edge around the outside of the pan to make sure any leakage under the wall has nowhere to go except back into the pan. And here the drywall has been installed. It sits on top of the drip edge, and it is a suitable substrate behind cultured marble. Again, because of the sheet of cultured marble, there's really nowhere for water to penetrate other than the corners. So it is important to maintain the caulk in the corners of a cultured marble shower. And the matching vanity top has been installed as well. And the cultured marble shower walls being installed in this clip. And a quick look around our completed bathroom with a fresh coat of paint. We have new accessories, a new cultured marble shower stall with a niche back behind the curtain. We've put in a new window over the shower. There's a new faucet, and we've moved the drain. We have a new toilet. We have a new vanity with top and sink. A new faucet. We've trimmed up the mirror. We've got new accessories and a new light fixture, along with just a vent cover. So anyway, I hope there's information here that's helpful. Please like and subscribe, and check out the description for any links that might be helpful. Thank you guys, I appreciate it, and we'll see you down the road. Have a great day.